Kumbaga sa ano, isang ano na lang, isang tulog na lang mamamatay na. 300 ang naiwan ng toko, labas sa 150,000. You read about it and then mamamangha ka how 300 defeated a whole army of 150,000. No? Yung 135, 150,000. And it is according to God's plan. Who are we? Isipin nyo mga kababayan, mga mamamayang Pilipino. Who are we to tell God, kailangan natin ng 1,000,000, 2,000,000. Kailangan natin ganito to change this country. We only need God to change this country, mga kababayan. And think about it. You only need your faith in God, a few good men and women, to change this country. Don't even need the armed forces, the PNP. They will